Hey, this is Don from Lang Specialty Trailers. I'm coming to you live from inside one of our mechanical rooms on our Eco Series restroom trailer. So today we're going to show you how to do just a little quick maintenance video on how to clean the inside of your AC unit. So it's a good idea to do this all season long after a couple of rentals, maybe once a month. But if you're noticing you're not getting a lot of airflow out of your AC units, one of the things you may want to check is your screen cover or your vent cover inside your AC unit. So that piece is where all the air flows into the AC unit. So you want to take just a pocket knife and just give it a little twist and pop it out, and that's going to open up and give you your screen. Now this gets collected with dust and dirt and things like that, so it's a good idea to take this out, maybe spray it with some cleaner, nothing too abrasive, and then hose it out, and then pop it back in. Hey, make sure you subscribe to our channel if you want to see more fall maintenance and winter maintenance videos coming up soon, or check us out at langrestroomtrailers.com.